Hello friends, I am Dr. Itisri Swai from Mathematics Department. Welcome all of you to our MKD education. Friends, earlier already we discussed about the differential equation, the order and degree of the differential equation and the solution of the differential equation by variable separable method. In the second class also we discussed about the solution of the linear differential equation and also Bernoulli equation. Friends, today we will discuss some exam oriented questions. First, we find the order and degree of the some differential equation. See you the first question, that is d square y by dx square is equal to, so here the first question, d square y by dx square is equal to 1 by root over of 1 plus dy by dx. Now friends, whenever you find the order and degree, then you have to standardize this equation because the degree is defined as the integral power. So now first we squaring both sides. Then we get d square y by dx square is equal to 1 by 1 plus dy by dx. Now already you know the order of the differential equation is the highest order differential coefficient. So this is the highest order differential coefficient, that is d square y by dx square, which is of second order, and the degree is defined as the integral power of the highest order differential coefficient. So this is the equation of second order and second degree differential equation. So next question you see, we is equal to 1 plus 1 by dy by dx. Now if I take dy by dx is equal to, the LCM is equal to dy by dx, that is dy by dx plus 1, or you find dy by dx whole square is equal to dy by dx plus 1. Now you see, it is the first order differential coefficient and the integral power of this differential coefficient is 2. So this is a first order and second degree differential coefficient, or this is the equation which is first order and second degree. Now come to the third question, that is dq y by dx cube. So the third question you see, now we find the order and degree in the same way, that is dq y by dx cube plus dy by dx to the power 5 is equal to x. Now friends, you see which is the highest order differential coefficient. This is the highest order differential coefficient, and what is its order? Its order is 3. Okay. Now you see the integral power of dy by dx is equal to 5, but the integral power of dq y by dx cube, it is 1. So the degree, it is 1 because we find the degree of the differential equation, it is the integral power of highest order differential coefficient. So now it is very simple differential equation and its order is 3 and degree is 1. So it is a third order and first degree differential equation. So So friends, you see, already we find the degree and order of the some differential equation. Now next we find the solution of the differential equation by variable separable method. There are some differential equation. Now we find the solution by variable separable method. The first question, that is, it is equal to x square plus 2x plus 5. Now you see, this is a simple differential equation which has first order and first degree differential equation. Here we find the solution by variable separable method. Friends, already I told you what is variable separable method. That means we separate the variables. That means in one side we find dy and y function, and in other side we find x function and dx. So here dy is equal to x square plus 2x plus 5 dx. Now we separate the variables. So after separating the variables, integrating both sides, we find the integration of dy is equal to the integration of x square plus 2x plus 5 dx. So the integration of dy, it is equal to y, and the integration of x square dx, that is x cube by 3, and the integration of 2x dx, that is 2 into x square by 2, and the integration of 5 dx, that is 5x, and we have the constant of integration c. So now 2 cancel, so we have the differential equation. The solution of this differential equation, y is equal to x cube by 3 plus x square plus 5x plus c. This is the solution of the above differential equation. Now come to the second question. It is dy by dx is equal to e to the power 2x plus 1 by e to the power x. Here also we adopt that same procedure. That means we find the solution by variable separable method. Now the question is dy by dx is equal to e to the power 2x plus 1 by e to the power x. Now we write the differential equation, that is dy by dx. Now we divide e to the power x, that is e to the power 2x by e to the power x, that is e to the power x, plus 1 by e to the power x, that is equal to e to the power minus x. Now you see in the right side only the x function, so we can separate easily. That is dy is equal to e to the power x plus e to the power minus x dx. Now you see clearly we separate the variables. So integrate both sides, that means integration of dy is equal to the integration of e to the power x plus e to the power minus x dx. Okay. So what is the integration of dy? Already you know it is y. Then the integration of e to the power x dx, that is e to the power x, and the integration of e to the power minus x dx, that is minus e to the power minus x, and the constant of integration c. So this is the solution of the differential equation dy by dx is equal to e to the power 2x plus 1 by e to the power x. Now friends, come to the third question. You see dy by dx is equal to x square plus 1 into y square plus 1. So now it is also solved by variable separable method. So the question is dy by dx is equal to x square plus 1 into y square plus 1. You see here this is the function of x and this is the function of y. So whenever we separate the variables, then in one side we write dy by the function of y, that is y square plus 1, is equal to x square plus 1 dx. So this is the separation of our variables. Now integrate both sides, we find dy by y square plus 1 is equal to the integration of x square plus 1 dx. That is the integration of x square dx plus integration of 1 into dx, that is dx. So what is the integration of dy by y square plus 1? Already you know, by the integration you know it is your tan inverse y, and the integration of x square dx, that is x cube by 3 plus the integration of dx, that is x plus the constant of integration c. So this is the solution. Next question, we find tan y dx plus cot x dy is equal to 0. So here it is little bit hard to separate the variables. You see the question, tan y dx plus cot x dy is equal to 0. Now you see, we find the product of y function into dx, and here also the function of x into dy. So now we separate the variables, that is tan y dx is equal to minus cot x dy. So here now we find the y function in the right side. So we get dx by cot x is equal to minus dy by tan y, or we find dx by cot x plus dy by tan y is equal to 0. Now already we separate the variables, so integrate, simple integrate, then we find integration of dx by cot x plus integration of dy by tan y is equal to integration of 0 with respect to dx. Then what is the integration of dx by cot x? That is 1 by cot x, that is you know it is equal to the integration of tan x dx plus the integration of 1 by tan y, that is the integration of cot y dy is equal to 0, integration of 0. And the integration of tan x dx, it is equal to ln sec x plus the integration of cot y dy, that is equal to ln sin y, and since the integration of 0 is a constant, we can take according to our convenience, that is it is ln a. So already you know from the property of logarithm, that is log a plus log b, that is log ab. So we can find it is sec x into sin y, it is equal to ln a. Now cancel logarithm from both sides, we find the solution, that is sec x into sin y is equal to a. This is the solution. Now we discussed some differential equation, solution of the differential equation by variable separable method.